Hello everyone, let's dive into the Vetroo AL900, a mid-tower ATX case that's making waves in the gaming PC scene. Right off the bat, the first thing that grabs your attention is the stunning 270 degrees tempered glass panel. It offers an almost panoramic view of your components, allowing you to showcase your build with pride. Vetroo understands that PC building is a personal experience, and they've reflected that in the AL900's design. The customization options are a huge plus. You can choose the exact number of fans you need, giving you complete control over your cooling setup. Speaking of cooling, this case is ready for some serious hardware. It supports up to 10 by 120mm fans, a 160mm CPU cooler, and even a 360mm water cooling system. For gamers rocking the latest GPUs, the AL900 has you covered, comfortably fitting RTX 40 and RX 7 series cards up to 410mm in length. The inclusion of a Type-C port on the top I/O panel is a welcome addition, providing faster transfer speeds for compatible devices. You also get the standard USB 2.0 and 3.0 ports for added convenience. Vetroo includes one pre-installed PWM and ARGB fan. This fan automatically adjusts its speed based on the case temperature and syncs with your motherboard via a 5v3 pin port, allowing for customizable lighting effects. Cable management is often the bane of PC builders, but the AL900 simplifies the process with its hidden connector motherboard support and a well-thought-out cable management system. This helps keep your build looking clean and organized, further enhancing the visual appeal of the tempered glass display. The Vetroo AL900 is a well-rounded case that balances aesthetics, functionality, and customization. It's a great option for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to build a high-performance system with a visually striking design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.